Tom is at home with his grandma today. They want to cook a delicious meal together. First, Grandma shows Tom the ingredients. They wash their hands and start to cook. Tom cuts the vegetables and mixes them in a big bowl. Then, they marinate the meat and grill it in the garden. Grandma boils some rice and roasts carrots in the oven. Tom fries a few onions with her help. They also bake some cookies for dessert. When the food is ready, they serve the meal on the table. Tom tastes the chicken. It's perfect. After dinner, they wash up and put the extra food in the freezer. Tom says, "This was the best meal ever."